Hi, in this video, I want to show you a few suggestions related to PTB submission form. So I have created a PowerPoint presentation. Let's go through the PowerPoint presentation. The first is related to color coding. See, I have a form which has many fields. Okay, so it's very easier to get misconfused that which fields are used and which are not used. So what happens usually, I will try to take this email field again over here by mistake. And then it gives me an error called as you have already added email. So it's my suggestion that whichever fields are already added to the form should be color coded in a different way, so that it becomes easier for us to know that which fields are already used and which fields are remaining. If this color coding is done, then we can only add the fields which are not added. This will make us our life a little bit easier. The second suggestion is that the present mode is of drag and drop, that we have to drag the every field that we want. What is the problem with this one is that only one field can be added at a time. Okay, means suppose if you want to add 5 fields, we have to drag one by one all the fields to the form. So what is the alternate method? The alternate method is of the checkbox. So below these fields there should be 4 checkboxes. Okay, the first checkbox should say select all, check all, means all the fields, whichever fields are there, those fields should be selected. The second one is what? Add all user created fields, means what? Only the user created fields. Here are 2 types of fields. This static field is a field defined by Themify, and this is not defined by user right now. Email, experience, feature number, these are the fields defined by the user. So whichever fields are defined by the user, if you want to add all those, we will select all user defined fields and add selected fields. What does this means? This everywhere whatever we are saying, this should be a checkbox. Before email there should be a checkbox. I should be able to click checkbox, that one. Before experience there should be a checkbox. Before feature dependent there should be a checkbox. Everywhere there should be checkbox, and I will select the fields by using the checkboxes, and there should be a button called as add. After selecting add, all the fields to which I have checkboxed should be added. Okay, that would be a great functionality. And the third one is what? We can also have over here add row button. Whenever we click on add row button, this drag model comes over here. Here should be a plus symbol, add fields symbol. When we click on this plus button, a pop-up should open, and it should only show the fields which are not currently into the form field that we have created. So there should be a checkbox. We should be able to select the checkboxes, and there should be a button called as add within the pop-up itself. So this would make us creating the form very fast. Let me remind you one more time. Here should be a plus button. After clicking the plus button, there should be a pop-up window with checkboxes and the fields. Okay, and this should only be shown which unused fields are shown. Then we will select the field that we want, and then we should click on add. If we click on add, then those fields should be added only within this row. Okay, so this would make our life much easier. Okay, so these are the few suggestions that I want to share with you. I hope that the suggestions are very useful, and you'll contact me if you want. Thank you so much. Thank you.